Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript Complete Course. In this video, we're going to talk about firstChild and lastChild, firstElementChild and lastElementChild. In the previous video, we have learned about children and child nodes. Let me show you the chart demo or DOM traversal chart that we have already talked about. So here you can see the A is the parent and these B, C, D, E, F, R, they're all elements are the children of the A or a parent. So if we talk about the first child, the first child of the parent will be B and the last child will be F. So here we are going to explain this by using a code, and here we're going to talk about how to target the first child and the last child and what is different between first child element and last child element. So now let's jump over. So this is our previous exercise file. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this from here, and instead of child node, I'm going to say first I'm going to talk about first element child. And let me explain you that what is this means, the first element child. So the first element child that find the first tag of the selected element. So the first tag of the selected element will be the first child element, selected element. So here you can see we have selected the inner ID, which is here, which is this part of our exercise file. So we are going to select this exercise or this inner div, and find out the first child of this inner div. So let me show you the what is the first child, which one is the first child of the inner div. So as you can see, this is our inner div, and the first child of inner div is h2 tag. So now we are going to find out whether it works or not. So we are going to save this. Now let's right click, come to the inspect and come to the console. Here you can see h2 is the first element child of the inner element. So here we also can find out the inner HTML. So now let's check inner HTML. Let me type capital L, excuse me. Now let's save this. Here you can see, here we can find out the inner HTML as well, and also we can style this. Let me copy this and let's paste it right here. So here we're going to style this as well. So when I save this, here we go, it's also works. Let me and this is how we can use the first element, and also we can use the last element. Let me run this in a console, and here you can see the last element of the inner is E element, and also you can change its background color as well. Let me copy this from here and let's paste it. Now let's save. Here you can see the background color of E element is changed. So this is the way of getting the value from first element child method and last element child element, and this is the way of setting the value or setting a style into the first element child and last element child. Now we are going to find out the differences between first child and first element child. I remove everything from here, and instead of last element child, we are going to target first child. And when you save this, here you can see it will print as the text. So when we click here and inside the data, here you can see it will inside the data it will pop up that it's an enter and a free space. Difference between first child and first element is that the first element will display has only the element of HTML, but the first child will display everything inside the HTML selected element, like simple text, enter, free space. Here you can see in data, enter and a free space. Same like this, when I select this like last child, it will also print as the text. When I click here, you can see it is an inter and a free space. So this is the differences between these two. So hope you understand until this point. And in child we can also print an inner HTML. And I save this, here you can see it will. So when we use the inner HTML, the inter or the free space will be displayed undefined. Also you can add the style into the first child and last child element. So hope you understand until this point. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them.